Hey guys, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're going to show you guys how you can start better using SEO ranking to specifically create better website audits. Now, for those of you who might not know, a website audit determines how well a website, whether it's yours, a competitor's, or even a client's, is optimized for search engines and whether it contains any issues that are hindering its performance. All web pages of the site are scanned during the audit, and upon completion, you can immediately see the full scope of optimization work to be done. So the website audit report provided by SEO Ranking provides a solution to each issue, along with links to useful information on the topic. So right now, we've just gone over what a website audit is, and now we're going to show you guys how to find it. So as you can see, we're just on the dashboard. And the first step towards accessing this tool is to first open the corresponding project you want to implement a website audit to. So I'm going to select my project from the upper left corner through this drop-down menu, and I'm going to open the corresponding one by just simply clicking it. Okay, so now that we've opened it, as you can see, we are currently viewing one of the projects that we have open that's analyzing this website called Pearl Lemon. And in order to, let's just get over to the website audit. If you head over to the left-hand side, you're going to see a list of buttons under projects. These are all the tools that you can access that's provided by SEO Ranking. What we're interested in this case is the website audit one, which is located below marketing plan and above backlink monitor. So let's just click this really quick. As you can see, website audits reflect how well your site is optimized for search engines and whether any signs of off-page errors. In this case, our project is currently analyzing Pearl Lemon right here, and as you can see, we have a health score provided by SEO Ranking, which basically tells us what the overall health of the website is based on the number of issues that were found on the website during the audit and the impact these issues have on website performance. Right now, we're on a score of 61 out of 100, which is okay, but not the best, and we're only better than 37% of users. Additionally, if you look over on the left-hand side, you'll see how many pages were crawled during this analysis for the report of today. So this is only done recently, the most recent one we have on hand. You can download it on the upper right-hand corner. You can also send it through email, generate a sitemap. There are also notes up here if you need to check them out. What we're also interested in are the core web vitals. So core web vitals are a set of website quality metrics that are based on the user experience. So these metrics are considered by Google when measuring website satisfaction and include largest contentful paint, the first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. As you can see, our score is actually pretty good on these ends, which we're really happy about since we've actually scored with a grade. Additionally, you'll see we have the URL found section, which will tell us the amount of URLs that are found on the website. We have a whopping 6,374, which is pretty good, pretty interesting. We have nothing to compare it to yet in terms of other dates, so we'll just have to create another audit in the event that we want to do a comparison. Additionally, if you scroll down, you'll see that we also have a section for top issues, which will tell us where we're having a few minor or major problems when it comes to the website and its optimization. So here you can see we have no inbound links, we have slow page loading speed, the image is too big in 16 of our pages, which is kind of strange. We will have to fix that immediately. We also have a redirect chain, and hreflang and HTML-lang do not match. So we have 5,000 issues here, which is really bad, which means we really do have to fix our website in this case. Additionally, you're going to see that we have another distribution by category. So this basically tells us the distribution of scan pages across various issue categories. So the chart shows how many pages of the website features errors belonging to a certain category, and if the website's pages don't contain any issue from a certain category, the chart will just show a plain green bar. So on a JavaScript level, we can see it's perfectly fine. Also from website security, duplicate content, and in terms of performance. But as you can see from the HTTP status code, we are lagging a bit behind on this. As you can see, not much green, more blue and yellow, meaning we have more notices and warnings. So the more yellow and blue you see on this case, the more you might want to have to look out for, especially red. Red is the worst. As you can see here on our internal links, we have the biggest issue in terms of errors. Lastly, if you scroll down, you're also going to see the domain metrics, which shows the pages in Google, pages in Yahoo, pages in Bing. It would show backlinks and referring domains if we were on the full plan. Currently, we are not. We can also see page indexation, which means that the total number of website pages that were not indexed and major issues that prevent these pages from being indexed will be shown here. So as you can see, we have some in terms that were blocked by a meta tag and the non-200 status. So as you can see, we have a concerning amount of not indexed pages versus more indexed pages. And while we have more indexed, having 40% of non-indexed is not good either. Okay, so we have more features down here, but this is just the basics on web audits provided by SE Ranking. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO optimization you might be doing on your brand or your website. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you need more help when it comes to SE Ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!